Hello. Let's make quick a few stars. I go to the Nomad app. These are the stars, and I delete them. We add a sphere, reset the view, and I turn the wireframe on. And I reduce the parameter or for subdivision about this, and I validate it. And then I use a mask, and now we can pick a few spots out. Symmetry is on, is okay. This one, this, this. Yeah, you can test it. And this one. Okay. Let's see what happens. We invert the mask and use the gizmo tool. And with the gizmo tool, you can bring the, I say spikes, okay? You can bring it out. There's there are two spikes too near. We can go back and look. We can, unmask this one, and yes, you can look. This mesh is relatively clear. You can look that the mask spots are exactly, but I do it randomly. Okay, I invert the mask again and use the gizmo and bring the spikes out. Yeah, I think it's a nice star. And you can make it spikier or... Okay. You can make in the mask... come on. In the mask you can split it when you want to paint it. Shell thickness, nothing. Okay, and split it. And then you have in the scene menu, I turn the outline on. The middle part we can paint in black, and the spikes or the thorns, or we can paint in gold. Now we have a cool star. And with this star, we can simple merge it. And now we can duplicate it, and with the gizmo we can bring the one star a little bit outside and place it in the space, and we can simple merge it another time and make clusters, or yes. And so we can simple merge it again, make another part, bring it down a little bit here, shrink it a little bit, and do it again. simple merge, duplicate, and I can turn off the post-processing. I think it's okay. Simple merge it another time. And so you can make clusters of stars. And that's really quick. Okay. Simple merge another time. And you can rotate it also. Bring it in position. In the space. And you can scale it. I turn the outline off. And simple merge the object. So you can make many stars. For example, snowflakes or something else are also possible. The wireframe, it's relatively a less polygon mesh and doesn't make a lot of trouble. Yes, that's it. Have fun with the stars. Ciao.